Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna. That's me, or as you popularly call me as English Wali Ma'am. So आज हमारी जो T20 सीरीज चल रही है EPL Easily Perfect Your Literature और Easily Perfect Your Language, उसका नेक्स्ट सेशन है और आज के सेशन में we are going to be basically studying the second story from your supplementary reader. तो सब बच्चों के पास अपनी supplementary reader handy है? नहीं है तो quickly go and get it. ऑल राइट, सो हमारे पास 20 मिनट्स है जिसमें हमें इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से रीड करना है और अंडरस्टैंड करना है. सो दिस चैप्टर और द स्टोरी, द थीफ स्टोरी. ऑल राइट, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर? द थीफ स्टोरी. ऑल राइट, द थीफ स्टोरी. ये कहानी है ऑब्वियसली एज द टाइटल इटसेल्फ सेज, एक थीफ की जो एक बहुत सक्सेसफुली एक रॉबरी करता है एक ऐसे इंसान के घर में जिसने उसकी मदद की होती है. ऑलराइट, सो व्हेन दिस थीफ इज एबल टू रॉब दिस पर्सन, डज ही रन अवे? और अगर वो भागता है तो उसके बाद एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट रीडिंग दिस story to find that. Okay, so it says, I was still a thief when I met Anil. And though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't had much luck of late, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So story कैसे start हुई है जहां पर जो ये thief है वो अपने बारे में पहले कुछ बता रहा है. वो क्या बता रहा है? That I was only 15 and I was very skilled at my work. मैं अपने काम में बहुत सक्षम था. क्या था exactly उसका काम? This person was a thief. वो एक चोर था. So वो कहता है कि मैं किससे मिला? He says I met a man named Anil, जो कितने साल का था? About 25 years old. और वो कैसा दिखता था? Tall, lean fellow. और ऐसे लग रहा था कि बहुत एक काइंड किस्म का इंसान है. And the thief also felt कि ये ऐसा इंसान है who was good for my purpose. क्या purpose था thief का? Of course, to rob this man. So he thought कि अनिल थोड़ा ऐसा भी इंसान था जिसको थोड़ा सा ट्रिक किया जा सकता है या जिसको थोड़ा सा बेवकूफ बना के चोरी की जा सकती है. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. So किसी को अप्रोच करना है तो क्या करो? थोड़ी सी उसकी तारीफ कर दो. Alright. So this is exactly what the thief did. Alright. तो उसने सोचा कि मैं थोड़ी सी ये रेसलिंग मैच देख रहा है. ये जो 25 year old मैन है अनिल, ये एक रेसलिंग मैच देख रहा है. इसका मतलब इसका रेसलिंग में बहुत इंटरेस्ट होगा. तो अगर मैं इसको ये कह दूं कि तुम तो खुद ही रेसलर लगते हो, so of course it is going to impress him. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. So क्या हुआ कि जब चोर ने अनिल की तारीफ करी तो अनिल ने वापस उसकी तारीफ करी. बोला हाँ तुम तो खुद भी रेसलर लगते हो. So एकदम से जो ये थीफ था, he got a little he was taken aback कि अरे मुझे तो लगा था मैं इसको झांसे में फंसाऊंगा, but then he is throwing back my own tips, my own tricks at me only. So उसने कॉन्वर्सेशन कंटिन्यू करने के लिए, चोर ने कॉन्वर्सेशन कंटिन्यू करने के लिए कहा कि हाँ मैं भी थोड़ी सी रेसलिंग करता हूँ. And then he said, then when Anil asked him, what is your name? So he said, my name is Hari Singh. So Hari Singh जो है वो चोर का एक्चुअल नाम नहीं है, क्योंकि वो क्लियरली कह रहा है that हर महीने वो एक नया नाम रखता था. किस लिए? So that he is not caught by the police. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestler who was who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appalling smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. So ये जो चोर था, इसने अनिल को जब फर्स्ट टाइम ही देखा था, तो he felt that he is the kind of person whose confidence can be easily won, या इसको बहुत आसानी से बेवकूफ बनाया जा सकता है. So this thief who called himself as Hari Singh started following Anil. Anil जैसे ही वो wrestling match छोड़ के थोड़ा सा आगे गया, this thief named Hari Singh, as he called himself, he started following him and he said that I want to be your employee, मुझे आपके साथ काम करना है. So Anil was like, I can't pay you. I thought for that over a minute. Perhaps I had mistouched my man. I asked, can you feed me? Can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. So जो चोर था उसने क्या बोला, कोई बात नहीं, सैलरी नहीं दे सकते, मुझे खाना दे सकते हो. So he said yeah. So अनिल ने पूछा, अच्छा तुम खाना बना सकते हो? So because this thief was so desperate to be successful in his next robbery, he said yeah, I can do that. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room over the Junna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appalling way, and he couldn't help laughing. Later, he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he'd teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So जैसे ही इस चोर ने खाना बनाया, अनिल को समझ आ गया कि इसको खाना बनाना नहीं आता, और अनिल ने ये भी बोला that you can leave my house, but the चोर था, he wanted to stay because he wanted to rob Anil's house. So Anil, being a very kind-hearted person, being a very compassionate person, उसने उस लड़के को बोला that ठीक है, you stay at my place and I will teach you to be educated. अब जो चोर था, he thought that wow, this is a great opportunity. He says that I knew once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit of what I could achieve. So वो क्या achieve करना चाह रहा था? He's a thief at the end of the day. So he thought that being an educated person will help him upgrade his skill as a thief. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So, this is the daily routine that is being described. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow one week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. So savings में तो शायद believe ही नहीं करता था Anil, right? It seemed he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. So जिस मौके की talash thi, you can say, for the thief, he got that opportunity because now Anil was holding a good amount of money in the house. और उसने वो कहाँ रखा था? Under his mattress. You can also see this image given here. Alright. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, I had not done anything in my line of work. Line of work मतलब आपका जो profession होता है. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door as I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I have ever met. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. अब ये जो lines है ये बहुत important है. He says it's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he's been robbed, and that's what takes all the pleasure of the work. So Hari Singh, this thief, says enjoy robbing a greedy man, क्योंकि वो तो परेशान हो जाता है, ठीक है, बट केयरलेस मैन जो होता है उसको रॉब करने में तब मजा आता है जब वो नोटिस करे, अगर वो नोटिस ही नहीं करता तो काम का मजा ही नहीं आता. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony, fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. So, अनिल के मैट्रेस के नीचे से अब ये जो चोर था इसने सारा बंडल ऑफ नोट्स निकाल लिया था. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the note. 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. So 600 rupees मिले थे इस चोर को from that he had stolen from Anil, and he felt कि अब तो मैं राजा की जिंदगी जी सकता हूँ, as rich as the owner of a oil field in the Arab country. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office, but dashed straight into the platform. Dash मतलब जोर की भाग के आना. To the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump onto one of the carriages, but I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So चोर जो था successfully उसने चोरी की, वो स्टेशन पहुंचा, उसके सामने ट्रेन थी which was in slow moving position, but Hari Singh, as he called himself, he did not board the train. Something stopped him from boarding the train. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone at the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. And I did not want to take anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew very well was the man I had robbed. That was Anil. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I made a study of men's faces. Now, this paragraph is also important. He says the greedy man showed fear. तो अलग-अलग लोगों को उसने describe किया है कि जब उनके कोई सामान चोरी होता है, how do they react? So he says greedy man showed fear, rich showed anger, and the poor man showed acceptance. कि ठीक है, अब मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. So he realized कि ये जो बहुत अच्छे लोग होते हैं ना, दिल के बहुत साफ लोग होते हैं, इनको इसलिए बुरा नहीं लगता जब इनका कोई ट्रस्टवर्दी इनके साथ धोखा करता है कि ठीक है हमारा ये नुकसान हो गया, उनको ये बुरा लगता है, just like Anil, that the trust that was between us, that has been lost. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. The night was chilly, it was early November, and a little drizzle added to my discomfort. Drizzle means halki si barish. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. जो notes थे, bundle of notes था, वो भी गीला हो चुका था. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 30 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook him meals, run the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences, I knew, could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal. And sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. So this thief realized that it was very easy to steal something, very easy to rob of something. But when you are educated and when you are a respected person in the society, that feeling is something else. All right. He says, I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. क्या किया जो चोर था उसने वो जो बंडल ऑफ नोट्स था वो वापस नीचे रख दिया मैट्रेस के. I awoke late next morning to find that Anand had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was 50 rupees between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. I had been discovered मतलब मैं शायद पकड़ा गया. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. My spirits rose. That means I became happy. But when I took the note, I saw that it was still wet from the previous night's rain. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. He knew. So, जो चोर था, he could also realize that Anil knows that I had made an attempt to steal the money. How? Because the notes were completely wet, as if they were kept in the rain. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appalling way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. तो पहले क्या होता था, जो चोर था वो एक फेक स्माइल कैरी करता था, but now the smile was out of love and respect that the thief had for Anil. So this story, beautiful story written by Ruskin Bond, the thief story, tells us कि हमारा जो positive behavior है, how it can bring about a transformation in the character of a negative person. All right, so इसमें जो characters हैं, जो important values हैं, वो हम next session में पढ़ेंगे. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator प्रेरणा. और मैम के ये जो videos जिनमें आप इतने अच्छे से chapter पढ़ रहे हो, समझ रहे हो, do share it with your friends. All right, वो compassion होना चाहिए ना सबके लिए, correct? So we are going to be meeting in the next session. Till then, stay blessed.